Step 1 is market research. Utilize AI tools like Google Trends and BuzzSumo for identifying in-demand services and understanding market needs. This step ensures you're offering services that people are actively searching for. Service automation. Apply AI to automate service delivery aspects, particularly in areas like content creation, graphic design, or SEO. Tools designed for these tasks can significantly enhance efficiency, allowing for scale without proportional increases in costs. Customer service enhancement. Integrate AI chatbots to provide continuous support, handle queries, and bolstering customer satisfaction. This not only improves the user experience but also contributes to higher conversion rates. Content creation. Leverage AI for creating or assisting in the development of engaging content for your products. Whether it's ebooks, courses, or webinars, AI can offer invaluable support in research, drafting, and even final content creation. Personalization. Use AI to analyze customer data and craft personalized learning experiences. Tailoring content to individual preferences can significantly impact engagement and satisfaction. Predictive analytics. Employ AI for forecasting trends within your niche, allowing you to develop products that address future demands, keeping you ahead of the curve. SEO and content marketing. Enhance your organic search presence with AI-powered SEO tools. High-quality content that's optimized for search engines draws more traffic, a crucial element for any digital business. Social media and influencer collaboration. Analyze social media trends and identify key influencers with AI tools. Collaborations can amplify your reach, bringing substantial traffic to your offerings. Optimized advertising and email marketing. Use AI to refine your advertising strategies and personalize email campaigns. Targeting the right audience and personalizing communication can drastically improve your ROI and conversion rates. Conversion rate optimization, CRO. Apply AI for A/B testing various aspects of your online presence. Incremental improvements in conversion rates can significantly impact revenue. Customer feedback analysis. Harness AI to collect and analyze customer feedback, using these insights to refine your offerings continuously. Initial investment. Be prepared for the upfront costs associated with integrating AI into your business. Strategic financial planning is essential to navigate this initial phase. And finally, quality assurance. Despite the automation AI provides, maintaining high-quality standards in your services and products is non-negotiable.